It's been 4 years, and though so much has happened, first, my name is Myrna. I love all things DIY, real estate, and basically doing anything on a budget. Jesse and I left our hometown, Nashville, Tennessee, to buy a house in Columbus, Ohio. We just got a house under contract.
Super excited.
It was an $800 difference between us and the next offer. 800.
God is good.
Oh, God is good. I'm so happy. We got our first house. We're about to get our first house.
W.
But our house really doesn't feel like a home just yet, and so we have so many projects planned for 2025, while also still sharing a little bit of our day-to-day lives every single week. We are on our way to Nashville for Christmas, and we have a really big surprise for my mom. I'm so excited to share it with you guys, so let's just jump right on in. Bye!
It's Christmas morning, guys. I'm the last one to get out of bed, but Merry Christmas. I'm so excited for Mom to see her Christmas gift.
So when can we open gifts?
Mom's putting a bra on.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, Whiskey!
You done with your shit too?
Merry Christmas. Let me record my Christmas hug. Yalla. Oh, once a year.
That's nice.
Yeah. What you trying to say?
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know I look crazy. It is 1 o'clock in the morning, but for Christmas, Jesse and I are gifting my mom cruise tickets. And I know many of you guys may not think that's a lot, but to her, it's gonna mean the absolute world. She talks about it all the time. Myrna, I want to go on cruise. I've been in this country 31 years. I've never been cruise. So baby, you get in that cruise. So I'm so excited for her to be able to disconnect, enjoy life, and for me and her to just be able to create some core memories together. I love that girl, okay? I love her down. It's not a video over here without a little DIY. We took advantage of Canva's templates and customized Mom's tickets to make it our own. See her? There she is. She has no idea what we're doing. Who are you? Oh my gosh! Cruz?
Naval?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Thanks.
Go to Bahamas. Water.
Nice!
Oh my goodness! Boozy headphones.
Once again,
Boosie with the
never
boss.
need-
so that means if you
What?
lose them,
Mr. Boosie.
I needed Crocs.
I know.
Wait, these are
Yep.
cute. Most of my mom's family is overseas in Bethlehem, Jerusalem, or Jordan. And so we definitely had to call our family overseas. And this is my aunt Shum Shum. She was actually in Jordan this year. While my brother cooks up some cocktails, we're gonna have a little bit of a history lesson real quick. My mom is from the heart of Bethlehem, where the echoes of histories are as alive as the olive trees themselves. Olive trees represents peace and abundance, and it was in Bethlehem that olive wood carvings became an essential trade and been passed down through generations dating back thousands of years. So when we went to my mom's job to drop off Christmas presents and I saw all of these beautiful wood carvings, it warmed my heart knowing that a piece of Bethlehem's heritage were in people's homes here in Tennessee. But we definitely procrastinated our Christmas dinner, so we had to make a quick store run because we're doing a cookout. You found it?
Oh my goodness. We got ribs and hamburger. We're gonna do a cookout.
Hi.
Merry Christmas!
That's my twin. That's my doppelganger.
literally.
Whoa.
Merry Christmas! All done.
Smile.
Where are we going? To see the lights. We go see Christmas lights. It's Mom's first time seeing the Christmas lights. I'm so excited for her. I don't know why it took me so long to bring her here. Growing up in Nashville, it's almost like a staple tradition to go to the Grand Ole Opry to see these beautiful Christmas displays. We're on our way to Atlanta because we're gonna go surprise my best friend for her 30th birthday. I'm so excited. Okay, Bethany, here I come! Y'all, there was so much traffic, but we made it. We made it. I'm so excited to see her. I don't know which door to go in, so we're just gonna knock on the front door.
Answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, do it now.
Hi, happy birthday. I love this girl down. We lived together for many years while we were in college, and just being in the same household again, we just understand each other so well, and she's probably the only other person that I could ever live with.
Look at that meat. Look at that meat. Look at that meat. He's so fucking ugly. Bird animals. Look at that one. That's the gremlin. Look at him. He's all posing for me. So good. Hello. Hi, baby. This is what 30 looks like.
He's your baby.
Day to you. Happy birthday, dear Bethany. Happy birthday to you. Make your wish. Yay! Happy birthday. Cheers.
Our stylist is who?
You can call me Raven. Welcome to Bethany's Fashion Hall.
You know you cute, otherwise you wouldn't have it on right now.
30. Let's
Hold on, wait. Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Man, look, that's a good hit. Huh?
What are y'all doing?
There is never a trip to Georgia or through Georgia where we are not stopping at Jerusalem Bakery and Grill. It brings back so many childhood memories of when I was a little girl. It is honestly like a tradition at this point. But y'all, I'm just so happy to have some cake. It just brings back childhood memories when I was young and I would go visit my family overseas, and the guy would come in the cart and he would just be pushing the kayak cart, which is a bread. I'll show it to you guys here in a minute. He would be pushing it, yelling, kayak, kayak, and then you get falafel, kayak, the bread, and then you go inside it, and that's your breakfast, and it was fresh every single morning. It just brings back like those nostalgic childhood memories. I could have a little piece from home here. I'm gonna take myself up on that, that's for sure. Starting with the market side, we had to load up on some cookies and some goodies, but they have a pastry section that's freshly made every single day, and it is delicious. It warms my heart to be able to share a little piece of my life with you guys, but also that I'm very clumsy. Every time I see Muhammad, he always puts the biggest smile on my face. He knows exactly what we're coming for, and he knows that we are always there for the kayak. It is not a trip to Jerusalem Bakery and Grill without racing to the restaurant side of the building to grab a snack before the road, because it never misses. It's always so delicious. I got a shawarma, and you can just tell by my eyes closed that I was in heaven.
Allah يسلمك. Hi, Whiskey.
Hi, we're home, finally.
I have cheese. Is it good?
Oh my god, so sweet.
So good. So good.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Bye.
We go bye. Here you go.
Give me that. Actually about to pull up to Cincinnati. It's probably my favorite part of the drive. Catches you off guard when you're coming in because you're not expecting it if you don't know it's there. But that also means we're only 2 hours away. Christmas was really great. Spending time with Bethany was incredible. We haven't seen each other in like 2.5 years for real. Like we haven't really spent time like that, just she and I, since about 2019 before COVID. So it was nice getting some QT, and it really, really felt like we were living together. Like she is the one person that I can live with. We just don't have to communicate on whose turn it is to take the trash out. You know, if you see it, take care of it. That's just how we operated. So we were able to like split up chores and things like that without even really having to say this is your thing. We've always been like that since we lived together. Just being able to cook together, oh my gosh, we haven't done that since maybe like 2017, 2016. And it really just felt amazing to be able to do that with her. So like spending time with my mom and my brother and Jesse on Christmas, it was very nice because, you know, that's the first Christmas I feel like since my dad passed away that kind of felt like Christmas again. Christmas just isn't really the same when you lose a parent so close to Christmas. My dad passed away December 22nd, 2022, so just a couple days before Christmas, and Christmas is by far my favorite time of year. It's always been that way. Dating again and all those things was a little bittersweet, but it's all right. Like, that's how my dad would have wanted it. He wouldn't want us, you know, crying or getting all sappy. He wasn't that type of person. That's my dad. So, love you guys, and I can't wait to show you the Cincinnati skyline. But there is that skyline. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I just wish you guys could see how beautiful that is. I don't even think the camera is like doing it justice.
Welcome to Ohio.
Welcome to Ohio. That is If you guys made it this far, thank you. I appreciate you so much. Just let me know by commenting we made it below, because baby, we have so many projects that we are making this year together. I'm so excited for it. I know this video isn't our typical style of video, but it's been 4 years, so we had so much to catch up on. As you can see, the tree is not behind me anymore, so we are getting back on routine and cleaning up neglect, doing a couple smaller DIYs. Right now, we are expecting about 10 inches of snow in Columbus, Ohio. So we gotta get ready for that. So I'm excited to see you guys next week, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.